How to unlock your Capital One debit card. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can unlock Capital One card on the application. First of all, you need to have the Capital One banking app on your device. You can easily get it from Play Store or App Store. Simply search for Capital One UK and install this application on your device. Then you want to be logged into your account. For that, enter all your account's credentials and you will be successfully logged into your account. Now, a card lock is a security feature that lets you lock certain aspect of your debit card, often from your online banking portal or mobile app. Some card locks may lift automatically after a certain period of time. Capital One customers will need to unlock their debit card in order to start using it again. You can lock your debit card when your debit card is lost. If you want to lock your debit card, select the card you want to lock. Then navigate to the Need Help section and select Card Lock. Now select Yes, lock this card to lock your desired card and prevent new charges. Once you have locked your card, you can unlock it from the Capital One app itself. To do so, return to the Need Help section of your Capital One mobile app. Select Card Lock, then select the card you want to unlock, then tap on Yes, turn it on option to unlock the card. After you unlock the card, you or any other authorized user can resume immediate use. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.